Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the ultimate guide to YouTube TV for beginners. So basically, if you're new to YouTube TV, you might be wondering what is it, how does it work, and is it worth the money? So YouTube TV is a live TV streaming services that replaces traditional cable or satellite. Instead of needing cable boxes and long-term contracts, you simply stream live TV over the internet. So what are the key features of YouTube TV? It has plus live channels including ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, and so on. It also has unlimited DVD them for up to 9 months. Multiple devices stream on smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, computers, or streaming devices like Roku, up to 6 profiles, and simultaneous streams watch on up to 3 devices at the same time. So how much does it cost for YouTube TV? As of this year, the standard plan is 72.99 per month or dollar per month. How to sign up? All you have to do is go to tv.youtube.com. Then here you can click try it for free. Usually YouTube TV offers a short free trial. Sign in with your Google account, enter your zip code to check available local channels and select your plan and any add-ons. After that, add payment info and start streaming. So how to use YouTube TV? You can go to Live tab, Library tab, Home tab, and search more. Talking about pros and cons of YouTube TV. The pros: no contracts and cancel anytime, unlimited cloud DVR, wide channel selection, easy to use and family friendly, while the cons: higher price compared to some competitors, internet required, no offline viewing, some regional sports networks missing. And again in our next video tutorials.